Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Candle Studio. Today, something a little different, so more of a little podcast video, if you will. I'm preparing a large wholesale order that I received from Faire platform. I've talked about Faire before. This is a website that allows me to sell to independent store across the UK, the US, but also Australia and Europe. It is really good for me in terms of business. So here is a big order I received from one of the store I work with in London. So if you're ever in London, in Spitalfield Market, you can pop to in Spitalfield and find my candles, and that's pretty cool. So I'll pop the social media handle for the store and the address in there if you want to pop there. They have fantastic stuff. So just going through everything I do when I pack the order here. So whether it's packing, boxing, as well as labeling. So I do have a labeling system that allows me to not have too many labels. I use one long label on the box and then stickers to flag what shape it is. So it allows me to have only two different type of label, the long horizontal one and the round stickers. Makes it so much easier in terms of supplies, and it's more cost effective as well. I could just print them in my studio and get cracking. So this is very sped up, so it's a less than 4 minute video, but this took me a good hour to go through each candle, do the quality check, make sure there's no air bubble, dents, or anything that would make it like second grade. I want that all my candles that I ship out are first quality and perfect according to my standards. Here I am using a soap tool that you saw very quickly to smooth the bottom of the candle. So that is a lifesaver. I will put it in my storefront on Amazon. So if you click in my bio, you will be able to access my Amazon storefront where you can get all the things that I'm using in this video. It's quite good. I can show you everything in one place. So it's always the same thing. Here again, I'm using that tool. Like I said, a proper lifesaver. Like all candles tend to have bottom a little bit irregular depending on the way you pour. So this allows me to even it out so they stand on their own. I have to make all the boxes, make sure everything is safe and secure with packing peanuts. And here I am using the long label, and then I'm going to use the little sticker on top to tell what shape it is. Time to box it up. I reuse everything. So this is a wax box that used to contain wax pellet from Kerosoi, and I'm using it to sheet my candles. So everything I can, I reuse, so I don't have to buy anything new, but also because it's more sustainable and it's something I really very much care about within my business. I really wanted to do this video to share that side of candle making and any kind of small business. When you're a maker, there's the fun making part, but also the packing part. So hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you soon.